Welcome to Skin and Health Hub. Your journey to a radiant glow starts right here, with our easy-to-follow DIYs and practical beauty tips. So let's dive in, beauties. Today, we're crafting a face mask for oily and acne-prone skin. And trust me when I say, it's not only natural but incredibly effective. First within our hands is aloe vera. This magical plant has so many benefits for your skin. It soothes irritation, reduces redness, and helps manage excess oil. Next on our list, baking soda. This gentle exfoliator goes a long way in cleaning out pores and keeping them clear and clear. Following that, we have egg white, the perfect ingredient to tighten those pores and give your skin a silky, matte finish. A dash of lime juice is the perfect addition to fight acne, brighten dull spots, and even out your skin tone. And lastly, turmeric, the secret ingredient to your gorgeous glow. It not only fighting inflammation, but it also evens out your skin tone, leaving your complexion looking brilliant. All these ingredients are combined in a clean bowl, with the sweet scent of turmeric filling the air. Mix well until you have a smooth paste, but keep it simple, just like we always say. Now, using your hands, spread this healthy paste evenly on your face, not touching your eyes or lips, leaving a small trail behind. Allow it to sit on your skin for about 30 to 40 minutes until it starts to dry up. Gently wash your face with a cool washcloth to remove the mask. Gently pat dry with an absorbent towel. Follow with your preferred light moisturizer to lock in that hydration. And why not do this mask every 3 to 4 times a week for glowing skin that refuses to hide? Just remember, it's all about being simple and natural. Join the Skin and Health Hub for more delightfully DIY beauty adventures.